Hi everyone, this is Taylor, the Assistant Food Service Director at Andover Public Schools. I'm just putting together a quick video today to show you how to use our new online ordering system. We're going to be implementing this system so families and students can place their bagged meals online. So to get started, you will use your computer and go to andoverschoolnutrition.com. That's our school nutrition website, and as you can see, it's now been updated. So anytime we have any new changes, I will be on here giving new updates, and I'll put the date so you can know when there has been a new change. But just so you can see, again, this is the main page, so you don't even have to go anywhere. And it explains, what is in a bag, and I'm going to put the details of how to order a meal, but you can see the pickup locations, the times, and the days. So you're going to go, if you follow my mouse, right to this button here on the left where it says out of school meal ordering, and you're going to click that. Just wait for it to load. So then you get to this online ordering section. So for student ID, you're going to type in your student's PIN number. For me, I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then deliver to site. It gives you 3 options. So there's Andover High School, Doherty Middle School, or West Elementary. I'm just going to click Andover High School. So then for my name, and then my number, and then you see my email just auto-populated there. So now for pickup. We are only doing pickups Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's going to be pretty much exactly the same as we've been doing our drives, just to keep it consistent, and the times are going to be from 10:30 to 12:30. So when you're placing an order, you're only ever going to want to place it for Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, because that's when you're going to be picking it up. Another thing to note is that these are only one-time orders, so if you want an order every week on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you are going to have to place that every time. Just so everyone is aware, even if you don't use the online system, we will have food available. This is not a requirement, but we are highly encouraging everyone to come on and do these online orders. That way we're just making sure that each site has enough meals prepared without over-preparing as well. So if I'm doing this as an example, I'm going to click tomorrow, which is Wednesday, April 1st. And then, so I filled out all my information, and then I'm going to hit next. And then it's pretty simple from here. So it has my name, balance, it doesn't matter because this is not connected to Meal Magic currently. So if you think that you have money in your child's account, don't worry that it's not showing up. It's just going to always say 0 here. And then info, it gives a little bit more info. And then you're going to go over to this next tab, which is assorted bagged breakfast and lunch. You're going to click that. Again, it just gives a little description. And then you're going to hit add to cart. And it will see you get that little check that says item added to cart. But let's say, okay, you just did 1. Let's say you have 3 children in your family and all 3 need meals. So I already clicked it once, so I'm just going to click it 2 more times, and you'll see that comes up twice. And then when you go to view cart, okay, there's 3 bagged meals here, and they're going to Andover High School to be picked up on April 1st. And then the last thing is payment is settle at pickup. And as you can see, the price is 0. We're not charging for these meals at this time. So everything is all set. If I was getting 3 meals, if you ordered too many by accident, you can always hit the X, get it. There is no error, but it just pops that up. But you can see there are 2 orders now, settle at pickup. Once everything's all set, it will say place order. And then it gives you the order confirmation. And I actually just got a text message myself because I used my phone number, and it shows me, okay, your order is all set. And actually the email just came in as well. So once you get that confirmation, you know that it's been placed. And like I said, This system isn't required for you to use, but it's going to make everything so much easier if you place it ahead of time, because we are doing the 3 different locations and we want to make sure that each site is going to have enough meals. So after that, it's all set. And like I said before too, just make sure that if you want meals Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that you are placing an order for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Other than that, that's it. So if anyone has any questions, you can always reach out to myself or Gail. My email is taylor.pirog, P-I-R-O-G, at andoverma.us. And you can also find our contact information on our website. So I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.